In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix code verification not received. So first, what you want to do is open up settings and then scroll until you see messages. So first thing you can do is turn off iMessages because sometimes that could comprehend you getting the code. The next thing what you want to do is have this send as SMS turned on because that can also help you to get the code. Then you can see this filtered unknown senders. What that means is that if they send you the code and iPhone can't recognize the sender, it's just going to block the message. But if you turn it off, it's not going to 100% block the message, but it's going to go to like a separate list which you need to find. And the other thing is to go to your blocked accounts and you need to make sure that you actually haven't blocked that number from Google, PayPal or whoever, because if you have, then that's the reason you also are not able to receive the verification code. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.